Today is third time of 10-10 plan. I already told you last time and 2 weeks ago, 10-10 plan. Atomy business start with writing. Not only atomy business, but also every business need writing for success. When you go to a company, maybe you have to write many things and many things checking on your writing. Same thing. Atomy business need writing because we need to manage our consumer efficiently. And you need to look for a business partner of some of your consumer member. For that, writing is important. But usually, Atomy teach writing first. Write down relationship name, your friends, your family, every relationship around you first. And of course, not just spread, but you would better write down the first important people first. For example, some people you're thinking, some people only become consumer, or some people you really want to want to do Atomy business with them. First, you write down for business member first. Even though you write down business member, they cannot understand at once. You would better contact with product as consumer first. And you need to contact again and again, not only product, but also share Atomy business vision. Share again and again. Then someday they will choose Atomy business or not. Because Atomy also one of job. So you cannot push your member. Just you give them information about Atomy product and Atomy business vision. Why you are doing Atomy business. Just share. That's all. Atomy, how to do Atomy business like that. Write down name around you relationship. First, business partner, or second, consumer member, but someday you just estimate they will become royal consumer. Or some people you think maybe someday they can use Atomy product, even one item. Some people can use toothpaste, toothbrush. Some people can use only shampoo. They also very cherish. So you write down name. Then and you make appointment with them to meet. Then when you meet them, you can share product and vision one by one. and you can share our meeting or Atomy headquarters seminar. And you try to gather our meeting, online meeting on Zoom or offline meeting. Offline meeting also very important. Then step by step, you would better try to make system. If you make system, your business partner around you or your member get habit, something do 규칙적으로, regularly. That is habit. Then they feel subjective. So they will do again and again regularly their something to do. Then you can get commission as like passive income. But many people feel difficult, not because feel difficult writing. Actually, you can write because you know already alphabet. You know already how to write. But unusual may feel difficult. So first time, try to write down only 10 person and 10 product. And later, if you start to write only 10, you can add later more and more. But first time, you write down 10 and watch again every day. Watch every day. Often will be better. Watch often. Then you can contact them again and again. You tell them as your plan. Then your business going well. So I suggest you start writing 10. For example, like this. First, 10 people right here. Helen, Lina, Risa, Timo, Joey, like that. You, maybe everybody want to write first your business partner. Of course, I already told you, cannot make add-ons for business. They deny. Sometimes deny very strong. They told you very 부정적, negative talking every day. But many people already prove. Many people who talk negative become success. Many people already. Not give up, then you make them success. You give up, they cannot success. That is Atomy. Sharing, not for me, but for them. Because Atomy business is really big business, really good business. No risk business, but can get opportunity for real success. Tool is important for business. Business tool cannot make you success. Many things already. Some people told you this business you make, you can success. But later, and you think very easy. But if you do that, they make you lose money. Big risk. But Atomy, no risk. Just change your daily necessity brand to Atomy. That is Atomy real concept. Big difference with another network marketing. So sharing for not you, but them. So you no need to care. They deny, reject right now. Maybe if they use Atomy product, many things, then they will meet really impressed product. Because as you know, Atomy quality really high, but the price really reasonable price. So some product make them impression. Then they will start to open their mind. Then you share Atomy business vision and product again and again, and they get cashback. Then they think more about Atomy business. You need to get that step by step. We need time and endure and effort make success, not money. No need to invest money. Instead of money, you need to invest time and effort and endure for negative talking and reject. First time, if you want to them, want them to Atomy business with you, then you write down first and write down more objective people first. not 네거리 반대말이 뭐죠? Anyway, 예?
Positive.
Positive, yeah. Positive people first. And you try to 10 people first, write down. And you try to write down 10 products for them. That is better. Their used product now, not Atomy, but other brand used products for changing Atomy brand. Write down their product, 10 products. Then if you watch this note frequently, then you can contact them and you can tell them efficiently. Write down is really, really important. So today, also I suggest you write down 10 people and 10 products. Start to write down with 10 plan and see frequently and try to contact them frequently again and again. Then you can get habit. Then you can write down more person. You can make plan better for Atomy business. Okay, today lecture finish. Before finish, if you have question, You can ask me directly, or you can ask me on our group chat. Anytime, anything. Okay. Before finish, let's take a photo. Can you open your video? Thank you. Thank you. 1, 2, 3. Etami. Okay, thank you. Let's shout the motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Start. Cherish
Cherish
the
the spirit.
create
Create
the
nation.
follow
Follow
the
the
faith,
faith.
serve
Serve
with
Serve
humility.
in humility.
Aja,
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 aja, aja.
aja. Thank you for coming. See you next time.
Thank you.
수고하셨습니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Goodbye.
Good night,
Good night.
everybody.
Bye-bye.